Hey everyone, are you looking for a vehicle that you can ride in style and luxury in with lots of space? Then you want to check out this 2016 Chrysler 300S. It has amazing features like a panoramic sunroof, leather heated seats, a media center, and more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your Chrysler badge right there in the middle of your grille, which looks amazing in between your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below that. You also have a front sensing system and a sensor in the front for some of your safety features that are inside. This has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, and looking down at your wheels, those are massive 20-inch alloy wheels and that kind of spiderweb design. This also could fall under our warranty, and if it does, it would be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Then looking down at your mirrors, they have those indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detections that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. You also have keyless entry. So looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats. You have your S embroidered right there, some strips down the middle, and they are heated, so super comfortable. You do have power adjustable settings and memory settings for your driver's side. And then looking at your steering wheel, it's leather wrapped and heated. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, cruise control, and adaptive cruise control. And then you have your media options and your paddle shifters on the back. So looking at your media center, it's an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. You have your radio options right here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You have your media options here, your controls for your heated seats and steering wheel, and your rear sunshade, which I'll show you when we get to the back. You also have your Uconnect app options, including Wi-Fi, hotspot, travel link if you want to subscribe to those. You have your climate controls here. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. This also has navigation, which is my favorite feature because it really just helps. You don't have to look up directions to a place. You can just put in the address and get there. And then you have your phone settings here, so you can make and receive phone calls, text messages, just everything. This also has a backup camera when you are on and in reverse there. So looking down, you have your radio controls, including some safety features. So your lane departure warning, forward collision warning, that's what that sensor in the front was for. You also have your traction control and your sensing system there with your climate controls and buttons. And looking down here, you have a 12-volt, lots of room back here. And your 2 cup holders are inside of there with lots of room inside of your center console. So this can be lifted out, and then you can see you have an aux port, USB, and an SD card reader, plus another 12-volt. Then looking up, you have 911 assist, which is subscribable, garage door openers, and controls to your panoramic sunroof. So this thing is enormous, really opens up the entire top of this vehicle. And then making your way out, this has a Beaats sound system for that amazing amplified sound with a subwoofer. Okay, so looking in this back seat, it is super spacious. It can fit 3 passengers back here. You also have your cup holder armrest that can fold down with a compartment right there. And these seats are heated, so you have your 2 heated buttons there. So this also has your... So you can see that when you press the button, it comes up in the back. So that'll just be a nice feature. So if you're back here, you don't have to have sun coming in from the back windshield. So making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps back here, your 300S badging, and your rear sensing system. It also has dual exhaust, as well as remote start on your key fob. So looking into this trunk, lots of room back here, and then you can see that Beats subwoofer on the side. So as you can see, this thing is just incredible. I love all the features in the front seat with your heated seats, that media center, and if you want to see this Chrysler 300 or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.